everyone, let's listen to this for a bit. Dangerous disease. As a result of global warming. Various diseases and the dangers of global warming. No one can escape from global warming. You think you can escape, is that so? Who would have thought that they could escape from global warming? Irritability, headache, easily consequences of global warming. Irritability, headaches, dizziness, stress, headache, stress, as a result of breathing in air pollution. Global warming and so on. It's all around. We, all of us, our loved ones. How to survive and where can I escape? Toxic air, toxic dust, PM 2.5, from global warming. Diseases that come with global warming. It is with us with every breath. We, you, our loved ones. There is a chance of getting a disease that is the highest risk of death for people in the world. Because of the changing daily life diseases that are increasing today in society, because of risky behavior that people in society have created by themselves, of which 30 diseases are at risk of death of people around the world today. All of them are diseases caused by abnormal daily life, until becoming a chronic health problem, and it is a silent threat that can kill billions of people around the world. Although these diseases are known and can be treated, diseases such as 1. Various malignant cancers. Eye cancer ranks number 1. Statistics on cancer incidence of Thai people has increased to 70,000 people and has a tendency to increase steadily. Cancer still holds the title of being the most common disease in the country, ranking 1 to 5 years in a row, and 50,000 people per year die from this disease around the world. Probably at least 50 million people per year. 2. Cardiovascular disease, arrhythmia, cerebrovascular disease, high blood pressure. Another popular disease that people around the world popularly not allergic to cancer, and is another complication of people with diabetes. High blood pressure is divided into 2 types. 1. The type with unknown cause. 2. Type of known cause. 3. Diabetes is divided into 2 types. 1. Diabetes that the immune system destroys itself, also known as autoimmune disease or autoimmune disease, but most of them are from genetics, and is the most common type of diabetes. 4. Skin diseases, skin cancer, sunburn cancer. 1. Cancer caused by cells in the basal layer of the epidermis. Looks like a clear blister with a curled edge, may be black or break into a wound. Often found in sun-exposed areas such as the face. It takes a long time to spread the disease. 2. Cancer caused by cells in the epidermis. Has a red embossed symbol. Chapped skin. Easily bleeds, found on the face, lips, edge of the ear. 3. Melanin-forming cell carcinoma, looks like moles, flecks, or black spots on the skin, moles on the palms of the hands, soles of feet, under the nails are more likely than other places. Danger signal. 5. Respiratory diseases, allergies, bronchitis, asthma, chronic lung disease. Most of them occur with the respiratory system, namely coughing, sore throat, wheezing and wheezing. Nosebleed. If the blood flows down the throat, it will cause the sputum to be mixed with blood. For example, allergy to air, itchy rash on the body, skin allergy, severe abdominal pain. Abnormal bowel movements, allergy in the gastrointestinal tract, mixed allergy. 6. psychiatric neurological disease, stress disorder. Depression because life is still struggling to survive the air around us is toxic, therefore causing quite high stress. 7. Diseases of the musculoskeletal system, tendon inflammation. 8. Obesity and overweight all over the world, it is very popular. 9. Emphysema. 10. Heat exhaustion and heat stroke. 11. Eye disease, conjunctivitis or conjunctivitis. 12. Anthrax disease. 13. Cholera. 14. Dysentery diarrhea. 15. Persistent dysentery diarrhea. 16. Typhoid fever, typhoid. 17. Diarrhea, hepatitis A virus. 18. Influenza. 19. Deadly influenza, SARS. 20. Avian influenza. 21. COVID-19. 22. Paralysis, paralysis. 23. Insomnia, irritability, headed easily, anxiety, and fatigue. 24. Tuberculosis as an easily complication. In 2019, 58,639 terabytes cases were detected, most of them in the age range of 15 to 44 years. Worldwide, probably at least 50 to 60 million people, is the cause of premature death of the world's population, such as from the estimated impact of air pollution in 5 major cities of the world in 2020. Tokyo City, population 37 million. Estimated death rate, 40,000. Estimated loss value, 1,248,560 million baht. Shanghai City, population 26 million. Estimated mortality rate, 39,000 people. Estimated loss value, 567,595 million baht. And around the world, how much do you think it will be? PM 2.5 dust damages the Thai economy 6 billion baht. Thai people pay for medical expenses, reported on January 22, 2020. How much damage will the economy be in the world? In 2018, severe weather conditions affected more than 60 million people worldwide. The total damage amounted to $91 billion. With a huge damage of $73 billion, this is explain the dangers of global warming in a nutshell. Terrifying, terrifying, terrifying. Climate change, severe natural disasters around the world, signs of global warming, inclement weather, severe weather, heat waves, severe droughts, heavy rains, floods, landslides, and severe mudslides. Heavy rains and floods in Europe in 400 years and China's heavy rains and floods in 1,000 years have killed at least 200 to 300 people, leaving hundreds of thousands homeless. Causes of disasters: global warming, global perversion, great floods, heavy rains, violent storm. Seasons are variable. Summer is very hot and hot for a long time, hot and dry. Cold weather, very cold, it snows a lot, it falls for a long time. Avalanches. Office of Agricultural Economics, Thailand report, October 2, 2021. Flood damage 20 billion baht. Agricultural sector lost 8 billion krone. Thai bank estimated flood damage of 5.4 billion baht. July 22, 2021. Reuters reported that China flooded the economy with 6 billion in damage. October 31, 2021. Americans are inundated with heavy rain, the heaviest flooding in 20 years, costing about $16 billion. And so on. The hidden danger in everyday life that has gone astray. Do not neglect or think that it is yet to come. Because we can be whenever we, no matter how well you take care of yourself, even if they don't care about their wonderful health, diet, or even well-being. That must be clean and sanitary even if you keep going to the doctor all the time. Because these diseases are all around us. You think that you are powerful, ascendancy, greatness, overflowing the sky. You think that you are rich, billionaires, have a room to control the weather. For personal use, you'll never leave the room for the rest of your life. You're right. Is there a good escape route? So what do you think, sir? How can we escape? Where will we flee? From global warming no one can escape who thinks they can escape. Pollution. Toxic air causing global warming catastrophic, more difficult than imagined. Method and principle as follows. Clause 2. If used, if it causes pollution, is unavoidable. Must use water or a controlled balancing agent before releasing it, etc. 2.1. Using water, steam or balancing agents controls all types of exhaust pipes and toxic fumes. 2.1.1 All types of engines that pollute must use water, steam or balancing agents. Control of exhaust chimneys such as cars, engines, aviation engines, all kinds of motorboats, etc. 2.1.2 Every factory must use water, steam or balancing agent. Chimney control. 2.1.3 Doing things that cause pollution must use water, steam or balancing substances. Chimney control, etc. In this simple way, the world will be pollution-free. Greenhouse gas and various toxins. Cleanly see preview from the preview methods for using water, steam or balance molasses to control toxic gases. Greenhouse gases, pollution, etc. Describe in the picture. All types of engines that pollute. Connect the pipe to use a fan to suck the pollution mixed with water, steam or a balance substance. Molasses, and then use another fan to suck. The air is good to go upstairs, and the bottom part will get water or balance, molasses, mix of toxins and carbon dioxide. Then used to precipitate can be disassembled. This is how we can get clean air around our factories or our companies, and the world will be pollution-free. Greenhouse gas and completely toxic well. This simple method is not difficult. How much wasted budget? Owners of various companies, owners of various industrial plants, engineers, oil refineries, coal power plants. People who work or live in the company oil depot. You guys, we all. If you have other methods that are better, that's fine. Reduce air pollution. Greenhouse gas reduction is better than you think. Ask for cooperation. Let's work together to help each other. Thank you very much. If any mistake, I apologize for coming here as well. It may not be detailed and complete in some matters. Thank you very much. Translate the voice by translate.Google. And all viewers, listeners, please press line, press follow, subscribe, press share to cheer up. So where do we flee? There was no escape, so I had to say it. Tell the truth. The truth. For a long time I want the world to know, the world to remember, the world is broken, to save the world, for children to live in safety, happy in a beautiful world.